Hey there, this is Lucius Laframboise from QESuite. I am part of the software sales and development team here at QESuite, and I'm the project manager for QESuite. And so in this series, we're going to move away from QESuite, and we're really going to focus on some actual Excel functions. But in order to really learn how helpful and useful they are, we're going to use some of the QESuite functions in them, and we're going to couple them together and really make some awesome things happen in Excel. So the number one that you're probably going to want to use when it comes to, coupling QESuite and Excel to really make some powerful stuff is your if statement. So equals if. And if statements are very common in programming. They take the form of if this, then that. They're in basically every program ever. They're the backbone of how computers do a lot of stuff. You want to check something, and then based on that value, you want to do something else. So we really think of it, instead of if this, then that, we think of it as if this is true, then do that. And that's exactly what Excel does. It's going to take in some sort of expression, and if that's true, it's going to output one value. If it's false, it's going to output another. So let's go into Excel and take a look at this function. All right, here we are in Excel, and we're going to look at what's probably going to be a pretty common use case for the if function. And that's going to be testing if we have a passing result. So in this case, we're in some sort of dimensional report, and what we're going to do is we want to make sure we have a passing PPK. So a passing PPK is going to be greater than or equal to 1.33. You can use whatever numbers, statistics, and benchmarks you want. This is just to give you a rough idea of how to use it. So we're going to do equals if. Then we're going to, for our logical test, that's what we want to test if it's true. We'll say our PPK is greater than or equal to 1.33. Our value if true is going to be pass. Our value if false is going to be fail. Then we'll hit enter, and it's a passing value because it's greater than 1.33. So let's take a look and see what happens if we bring it down below that. So to do that, I'm just going to replace this first number with a 1, and that should bring our PPK down pretty low. And look at that. We now have a failing value because our PPK is below 1.33. So we'll fix this. We'll just put it back at 5.887, and we're back to passing. That's how to use the if function. Pretty easy, but stay tuned in this series. We're going to really take this to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please do something awesome.